Rajnath Singh has taken over officially as the president of the BJP, and the first biggest hurdle already on the cards for the man. News that we're breaking to you here on the network. In Karnataka, 13 BJP MLAs are seated outside the Assembly Speaker's office, the Vidhan Sauda, to submit their resignations. The MLAs include the two cabinet ministers as well in the Shettar government, who have in fact submitted their resignation from the cabinet earlier. The BJP rebel and KJP chief B.S. Yediyurappa has now said that Jagdish Shettar has lost the mandate and must resign immediately. He's also said that he will be discussing the possibility of bringing in President's rule option in the state after discussing the same with the MLAs as well. It's a big crisis they're playing out in Karnataka. BSY loyalists, well, handing in their resignations as well, sitting outside, in fact, the Vidhan Sauda. Let's get a word, some confirmation from Pratibha Raman. Pratibha, just bring us up to speed with the situation right now.
As of now, there are at least about 13 MLAs, including the two ministers, the Farm Minister, as well as the PWD Minister, CM Udasi, who are sitting inside. The Speaker is not in the city, he's gone abroad, but still they are insisting on submitting their resignation. If not the Speaker, at least to any of the officials who will be present. But unfortunately, according to rules, none of the other officials can accept the resignation nor endorse not acknowledge the resignation that has come into the office. It has to be only the Speaker who has to accept their resignation. So as of now, they are still waiting there, trying to decide what will be their next plan of action. We'll have to wait and see what the next step according to Yediyurappa's agenda, because all of them seem to be Yediyurappa's loyalists. When I just speak to Ms. Shobha Karandraje, she did say that all of them are very, very disappointed with the way the government has been functioning, because it was Yediyurappa who did initially elect Mr. Jagdish Shettar as the CM, and right now he is not really reciprocating that, because many of the schemes that were introduced by Yediyurappa were not really implemented here. None of them got enough support from those people who did make him the CM of Karnataka. So with that in mind, they have submitted their resignation, especially the two ministers, and the rest of them are intending to...
What is the state of the Assembly, Pratibha? With these developments, what will the state of the Assembly be? What will the equation be? We know that BSY is talking about, the option of President's rule as well. There have been two deadlines that he set earlier, which didn't, come to fruit, but this time around it seems his tactics are working.
Ms. Majan, this time it has been a master stroke by Mr. Yediyurappa, because as of now, BJP did have at least about 119, including the Speaker, and the halfway was 113. And right now, if these 13 MLAs do resign, then the number comes down to about 104. And with that in mind, then the minority, the government will be at the minority, because there are about 97 plus 6 who are the independent candidates. We'll have to wait and see what will be the position in-house during that time after the resignation.
Okay.
We'll have to see what will the independent candidates decide. Will they actually step on to, will they be inclined towards the BJP or not? So that will really determine. And in case they do not incline towards
Pratibha, reactions that we're also picking up from the Chief Minister. Just stay on for a moment. Let's play out a reaction from Jagdish Shettar.
ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸಚಿವರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉದಾಸಿ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಕರಂದ್ಲಾಜೆ ಅವರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ.
Well, a very concerned Jagdish Shettar, of course, assuring the reporters there, asking him the question that he's going to take stock of the situation, he's going to figure out what needs to be done. Remember, was very confident earlier, given the kind of threats which have been coming from BSY. Now he's gone ahead and said that he's going to take stock of the situation, was very confident of presenting the state budget on the 8th of February as well. Remember, very crucial phase for the state as well, going to assembly polls in May. Now the jolt to the BJP coming soon after, remember, rebel and now Karnataka Janata Party chief B.S. Yediyurappa held a meeting with PWD Minister CM Udasi at his residence early today.
नेता येडियुरप्पा जी ने दोनों के लिए मुख्यमंत्री बनाए थे, एक सदानंद जी को और सम्मान्य जगदीश शेट्टर को। दोनों को भी हाईकमांड ने बनाए थे। जो कुछ हुआ था उनका साथ साथियों ने, येडियुरप्पा के साथ जो लोग थे वही लोग ने उनको मुख्यमंत्री बनाए थे। अब तो अफसोस की बात यह है कि येडियुरप्पा जी के साथ जो लोगों को पता लगाया, उन लोगों के लिए सहकार देने के लिए इनकार करते हुए ये सब लोग आज राजीनामा देने की तय किया है। इतना ही सही।